Stop dreaming and get ready. Are you ready for the worst? It's going to be the end of the world. You want to know the last information about economy, cryptocurrencies, and much more? Then smash the like button. It's time for CryptoNews, Crypto to the Mask with Rodrigo Arnedo here, just talking today about a topic that I found very interesting from this book, Psychology of the Money. Very nice book. I'm going to record a dedicated video about it. Right now, you can buy it if you want through Amazon. Of course, you can listen to it through Audible, as I do all the time. You'll find the links in the description below to these two things. And today, the topic that I want to highlight from this book is that usually we pay attention to the worst. We are always paying attention for what is the worst scenario possible, and we are not so focused on the good things that we have out there, which is today my main focus on the video. Is that, well, we're going to say that Bitcoin went down and we had some bad news, but we had so many other good news. And I'm tired that it seems that, we just focus on the bad ones and price goes down because of that, and we are not paying attention to video after video and all the good news that I'm bringing to you in all those videos. So yeah, stop dreaming, prepare for the good, not just for the bad. Here, Robert Kiyosaki, he has an amazing book. You can find it on findontheright.com. There is recommended books, and there we have so many of the books we've written together, and some of them they have those have the video, like for example that one, Rich Dad Poor Dad. So Kiyosaki is wise, but now he is saying that the worst is about to come. Layoffs to accelerate. Trump to eliminate 65,000 jobs. Even oil companies laying off thousands of workers because the economy is contracting. Car companies such as Nissan and Volkswagen laying thousands of workers. It's not going to be a soft landing. Stop dreaming. Prepare for a market crash, possible depression, and war. Best to prepare than to spend your life pretending, believing in the tooth fairy. Best way to pre-order of the cash is stop listening to government officials who promise a soft landing. Time to get back to real life, and good luck. Well, Kiyosaki here knows that we pay attention to the worst, and as maybe happened to you, well, you pay attention to this. But I believe that, well, probably something bad may happen, but we have so many good stuff telling us the other way around. It's true that Bitcoin went down yesterday, but we still between $90,000 and $100K, which was a dream just 3 months ago. Also, we had bad data from the CPI yesterday, but just a little bit. And Powell, after that, came out and spoke, and he said that those are data that you shouldn't pay attention a lot to if it's good or if it's bad. So even Jerome Powell is telling you it's okay, kinda. Stock market went down, the bonds went down, and the dollar got stronger, allegedly, according to this. Bad movements that reflect that the market is worried about inflation and all that fuss. So, yeah, the market crashed a little bit, but I'll see, it was a good day. Down and up for the market. It's worse for us. It's worse for crypto as itself. You can see there Bitcoin, and probably related with China and the stock market behavior. But again, good news, bad news. They say the dollar got stronger. Well, I see it going down. So maybe we are following the path that we wanted, that we expected, and we are just following 2017 path with some ups and some downs. Again, they will try to make you crazy. They want you to quit. But you can see here that we might be following paths that we draw in previous videos. The orange one or the gray one could be in the cards. Also, CPI marked the last 5 bottoms for Bitcoin, and maybe even farther back. We just have this data. I went to TradingView and it's true. You can see here we had the data and we went up, 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 and up. I think we are most likely doing something like this here, as we had a red candle the day after, and tomorrow we'll have an flim flum candle and we'll go up. We'll see in tomorrow's videos. But again, good news yesterday. Jerome Powell said that we are not going to have a CBDC. He's not going to quit, even if Donald Trump asks him to do, but he's not pushing for a CBDC, which is awesome. And also, he said this word by word. We don't want to get in the way of banks serving perfectly legal Bitcoin and crypto customers. So he had the chance to talk bad about crypto with CBDCs, also as general for the use in the banks, and he didn't. Good news. As also is a good news that National Bank of Canada has purchased $2 million in Bitcoin ETF. Huge piece of information. Also, that the House of Republicans have proposed a $4.5 trillion in tax cut. This is massive for the markets, but we don't focus on that. We focus on layoffs, Robert Kiyosaki. We focus on bad stuff always. And then Elon Musk saying that it's going to be a happy ending. I mean, like, we are just moving people from low productivity roles in the government sector to higher productivity roles in the private sector. So it's not that they are killing jobs, but they are improving the government, they are improving debt. And yeah, again, if you see this piece of information, you can be very scared, but consider what can we do in 5 years. In this book, we have that idea that if you look back 10 years back, we are better, but we only focus in events that happen in one day. Yesterday, this happened or this didn't happen with the stock market. We have to focus on the medium to large period of time. Then you'll be happier. And this is more honest. Yesterday, we have flows from ETFs of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but institutions, governments, those are buying like crazy. So do not focus in just one day data. Also, the market as a whole going down, but we are still above $3 trillion. So do you want to focus on the last drop, or do you want to focus on the thing that we are above $3 trillion? Also, dominance of Bitcoin might be at a point where we might go down. This will be a hint that we are going to have the AltSeason that everybody believes is not going to happen anymore. But Crypto Proof says that it might happen. This is Bitcoin dominance, touching that line I showed you, also this moving average. So maybe Bitcoin dominance starts going down and it's time for the AltSeason. We see the bubbles crazy with a 40% rise of cake. Also, Trump is going up. Dogecoin, BNB, VET, Lido, Atom, IOTA, you name it. We are happy to see cake going so crazy up. Also, BNB fighting for new all-time highs, maybe in 6,000 in the future. What about Dogecoin? Maybe finding support in this line to rise to 3.517. Also, Trump, as I told you, going up, maybe I will lose my money. If you want to learn about the pairs that are more interesting today, of course, you have to go to dexter.io, link in the description below. And Ethereum is finding solid base again, and it's looking to $3,000. Crypto Robert telling us we might go up and down. We did that in 2016, and what happened? A huge rise that might be in the cards right now, but we have to be patient. It is true that the narratives are different. Miles Deutscher, for example, sharing this today. The fundamental difference between 2024, 25, and 2021 altcoin cycle is that people don't believe in what they are trading anymore. I think we didn't either in 2021, but okay. 2021 people had a genuine belief the blockchain DeFi gaming would change the world. Well, not really, I guess. Now everyone sees the space for the Ponzi that it mostly is. It was already. This psychological shift increases reflexivity to the downside as people are quicker to cut positions, with subsequently decreasing upside muscle pressure as people look TP versus holding longer term. It's one of the core reasons, aside Mariah and other factors, why alts are underperforming. Well, some of that is true. Remember that we had yesterday a very interesting video telling you about the 4-year cycle, and if we are now about to accomplish what we expected, do not miss that out, and do not miss the opportunity of buying crypto with Bitpanda. Maybe at this moment, this is not financial advice, but maybe when everybody believes it's going to be war and the economy is going to collapse, maybe that's the moment for using Bitpanda for buying some crypto. They have 6 million users already. Those can't be wrong. And remember that we have a dedicated video for Bitpanda Fusion in case you are a pro and you want to take advantage of that. Of course, you have, as always, 10% discount in the description below. And today I want to ask you about coin tracking. If you are related with a university all over the world, it doesn't matter, and you think that your teacher or some department in your university would be interested on having some licenses on coin tracking so that you can learn crypto through coin tracking, let me know. Write me an email to funontheRide@gmail.com, because I will put you in contact with the team on coin tracking, and you might have those licenses and you can practice and learn through crypto for free with them. And of course, if you have some ADA, some Cardano, come with us, because we're still in a row. 3 blocks validated in the last epoch and still 13 hours left. Come with us, Fanon. You have a video on our website telling you how to do that. And remember, we have another channel called Inteligencia Artificial, and you can watch already the video about Scam Alman. Do not miss that out. And if you want more about crypto, watch other ones here on Rodrigo Nido Noticias Bitcoin, CryptoNews, Fun on the Ride, Health, Money, Love, Power in Peace, and the best is yet to come. To the